Namaste, respected principal sir, parents and my dear students. Today as a part of Fit India School Week celebration day 4 activity, I am here to speak on topic diet and nutrition in this COVID-19 pandemic. Every human body needs food. It is a basic important need for normal growth and development. And जब नॉर्मल हेल्दी कंडीशन में भी हम अपनी डाइट का केयर करते हैं तो then in this disease condition we have to more careful about our diet.
So let's see what type of diet and nutrition is required in COVID-19 pandemic situation. As we all are aware that the strong immune system is the most important to sustain in this COVID-19 pandemic. Immune system works as the frontline defense mechanism against disease causing microorganisms and protect us from all virus and microbes. For that, healthy balanced diet and regular physical activity during COVID-19 pandemic is essential for physical and mental well-being. For that, good nutrition is always important. But during this pandemic, it is even more important that a well-balanced diet of nutritious food helps support a strong immune system. So, what is balanced diet? You might be thinking that a diet consisting of a variety of different types of food and providing adequate amount of the nutrients necessary for good health. This is the food pyramid, and according to this proportion, one should include different food groups in daily diet. According to the pyramid, you have to see that more weightage is given to the grains, fruits and vegetables, and less weightage is given to the fats and oils. According to that, if you will consume food in your daily diet, it will balance your diet and it will help you to get adequate nutrition, which will in turn build a strong immune system. Protein is a versatile macronutrient that sustains life and has a particularly important role to play in boosting immune function. On an average, an individual needs 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per kg ideal body weight. It is important to consume good quality and quantity of protein daily for the immune system to function at its best. And different sources of proteins are pulse, legumes, nuts and whole grains, milk and milk products like curd, paneer, egg, meat, fish and poultry. We can prepare combinations of cereals and pulses recipes like khichdi, which is the basic menu we can make in our everyday routine life. We can make idli, dosas, dal, rice, etc. Even many egg recipes also we can include in our menu. We can make besan pudla, mixed dal makhani vegetable, etc. in our daily routine diet to get good amount of protein. As in this time of COVID-19 pandemic, people are under quarantine in order to reduce the spread of the virus. Since quarantine is associated to the interruption of the work routine, for example, students not going to school, adults work from home, etc. This could be result in the boredom, and this boredom is being associated with a greater energy intake as well as the consumption of higher quantities of fats and carbohydrate. जैसा कि सबको पता है, इन अर्ली लॉकडाउन लेडीज लोग ने घर में हर रोज खूब नई नई फैंसी रेसिपीज खूब बनाई. साथ में पहले कोविड के बारे में हर रोज हम टीवी में न्यूज वगैरह देखकर we get too much stress, and this stress pushes people towards overeating, mostly looking for sugary comfort foods, that is food craving. It is called a food craving habit, which increases the risk of developing obesity, and this further leads to diabetes, heart disease, etc. So it is advisable to limit the carbohydrates and include lots of fruits and vegetables in the diet. As far as carbohydrate is concerned, the consumption of those with a higher glycemic index, highly processed carbohydrate should be avoided. For example, processed food, junk foods, your burger, pizzas, your cold drinks. Avoid table sugar, that is extra sugar, too much sugar is made from maida, which is a refined flour, not good for health. Aerated drinks, that is your Coca-Cola, Pepsi, all are empty calories. One should never drink these cold drinks. Cookies and pastries which are made from mandas and having too much of sugar contents. So all these carbs we have to avoid obesity, heart disease, diabetes, etc. in our life. Limit sugar intake. One should avoid too much of sweets. With carbohydrate, we have to take care for fats. One should consume unsaturated fats. For example, fat found in fish, nuts, olive oil, soya, sunflower oil, rather than saturated fats found in fatty meat, butter, cream, cheese, etc. As too much fat leads to obesity, which in turn leads to other health diseases, and which in turn is the biggest hindrance in building a strong immunity. Generally use combination of oil. One should not stick to only one type of oil. Also avoid fried foods. Instead of frying the food, use different cooking techniques like steaming and boiling, which is the best cooking techniques. So avoid fried foods like samosas, etc. All vitamins play a very crucial role in our daily diet. Vitamin A assists with the health of our intestine and respiratory system. Vitamin A rich foods include carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, broccoli, etc. Vitamin C is one of the biggest immune system booster of all. Food rich in vitamin C includes orange, amla, lemon, strawberry, kiwi, etc. Vitamin B6 is vital to support biochemical reaction in the immune system. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps the body fight off infection. Vitamin D level can help keep our immune system healthy and may protect against respiratory illness in general. So morning sunlight is the best source. Vitamin B12 is a vital nutrient in the formation of healthy red blood cells. So our diet should be rich with vitamins. All these are vitamin-rich sources, and we can make varieties of food items from these fruits, vegetables, nuts, etc. Like we can make spinach carrot soup for vitamin A. For vitamin E, we can make chicky, that is groundnut chicky, til chicky, etc. For vitamin D, we can have morning sunlight and we can eat curd and rice for vitamin B12. There are several foods which are rich in natural minerals and nutrients, but we destroy their nutritional value in the course of our cooking and consumption practice, like overcooking of food. Wheat, which is in its original form, is dalia. It has important minerals like phosphorus. Still, in our strange wisdom, we powder it into a refined maida, which is nothing but starch, and increase weight and risk of diabetes. We have to eat in original form like eat barley, chana, sattu. Iron, copper, zinc all are very important for immunity. Iron deficiency result in impaired response to antibodies. Rich source of ions are eggs, spinach, cumin. So you can make varieties of item or include this so good source in your daily diet. Copper deficiency is associated with an increase in infection and may impair development of immune cells. For copper, we can include more of sesame seeds, that is til. We can eat tal sakri, है ना? Soya beans, mustard, cashews, etc. Zinc deficiency can result in profound suppression of T cell function. T cell recognize foreign antigen and kill infected cells. They also act as a helper cell. And the sources are pumpkin seeds, chickpeas, cashews, etc. With this all nutrient, we have to keep in mind the healthy habits. For example, fiber. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables that are in season. So include salads in your diet. Green vegetables mixed with fruits and sprouts is the healthiest version. Eat whole fruits instead of juice. Salt to be restricted, so eat less processed food or preserved foods like ready-made pickles, chips, etc. Keep salt intake to less than 5 grams per day. Drink enough water and stay hydrated. For that, include liquids like coconut water, buttermilk, turmeric water, lemon water, green tea, etc. Use herbs and spices that are rich in antimicrobial property, for example, garlic, ginger, mint, tulsi, etc. Use these herbs in your daily cooking. This will not only boost your immune system, but it enhances the taste of the recipe. Drink turmeric milk, aloe vera juice, amla juice, tulsi and mint chutney, etc. Adopt other healthy lifestyle measures like exercise regularly, getting adequate sleep, be stress free. This will help to increase your immunity, which will be helpful in this COVID-19 pandemic. Continue to practice good food hygiene, which is very important as a safety measure in this COVID-19 pandemic. My dear students and parents, please inculcate the healthy food habits and lifestyle in routine life and stay fit. To ensure good health, eat lightly, breathe deeply, and maintain cheerfulness in life.
Eating healthy, after all, is not about losing your ability to enjoy your indulgences. It is a matter of gaining so many things that will affect you for the rest of your life. That is, a longer, healthy life, the ability to enjoy natural food, a wholesome sense of self esteem, and the joy of respecting your own body for all that it does for you. So, students, eat healthy, stay safe, and be happy. Thank you.
अरे फ्रेंड, ये तुम क्या खा रहे हो?
अगर दोस्त नहीं है तो जंक फूड खा रहा हूँ। मुझे काफ़ी पसंद है और मैं इसको रोज खाता हूँ।
वो सब ठीक है, लेकिन ये खाना तुम्हारे बॉडी के लिए अच्छा नहीं है।
क्यों अच्छा नहीं है?
इन सब खाने से तुम्हारे बॉडी में बहुत से इफेक्ट आ सकते हैं। अपने मस्कुलर प्रॉब्लम्स हो सकती है, अलग अलग तरीके की बीमारियाँ हो सकती है। दोस्त तुम्हें
कुछ नहीं होता है, मैंने इसको काफ़ी टाइम से खा रहा हूँ। मुझे इससे
ऐसा नहीं है। ये आपको इफेक्ट इसका ज़रूर होगा। आप एक्सरसाइजेस पर ध्यान दो, अपने न्यूट्रिशन फूड खाओ, फ्रूट्स खाओ, उन सब चीज़ों पर ध्यान दो और मार्केट के फूड को अवॉइड करो।
वो तो मैं एक्सरसाइज तो मैंने काफ़ी बार किया है, लेकिन उसका कोई इफेक्ट नहीं होता है।
आप गोल पर ध्यान मत दो, अपनी जर्नी कंटिन्यू रखो, ज़रूर इसका इफेक्ट अच्छा मिलेगा।
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं
हेलो।
आप सब?
हेलो हेलो।
जस्ट अभी मैंने सर की बात सुनी, तो ये सच में बहुत बढ़िया है। और एक्सरसाइज के साथ अगर आप मेडिटेशन करोगे तो
बिल्कुल।
इसके तो बहुत ही बेनिफिट है। सबसे पहला बेनिफिट कि आपका स्वास्थ्य अच्छा रहेगा। आपका स्वास्थ्य अच्छा रहेगा तो आप अच्छे से पैसे कमा सकोगे और अच्छे से अपनी लाइफ स्पेंड कर सकोगे।
बिल्कुल सही कहा।
दूसरा, आत्मविश्वास भी बहुत बढ़ेगा, मन शांत रहेगा। तो एक्सरसाइज प्लस मेडिटेशन
इस पर ज़रूर आप ध्यान दो। इसका
ठीक है
effect
ठीक
बहुत
है, एक
अच्छा
बार
होगा।
इसके ऊपर मैं ज़रूर ध्यान दूंगा एक बार।
हेलो फ्रेंड, हाउ आर यू? मैं ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हैं?
बस बहुत अच्छा हूँ, तगड़ा हूँ। आपने जो बताया था वर्जिंग एक्सरसाइज करने का, उससे मुझे बहुत बेनिफिट हुआ। आप खुद ही देख लो।
वही चीज़ मैं अपने दोस्त को समझा रहा था।
थैंक यू। आज से मैं इसका त्याग करता हूँ और कल से मैं रोज एक्सरसाइज और मेडिटेशन पे ध्यान दूंगा। थैंक यू आप सभी लोग।
गेट फिट,
डोंट क्विट।
मेंटल हेल्थ इज नॉट अ डेस्टिनेशन
बट अ जर्नी।
व्यायामात् लभते स्वास्थ्यं दीर्घायुष्यं बलं सुखम। व्यायाम से स्वास्थ्य, लंबी आयु और सुख की प्राप्ति होती है। धन्यवाद।